Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can snooze our mail for certain duration. Let it be for 6 hours, let me be for 2 days, let me be for 30 days. You don't want to see that message again or mail again in your inbox. What exactly you can do is the snooze is the concept which you can make it. For example, this is the mail. I'm on my Gmail home page, and this is the mail which I don't want for the next particular duration. First of all, click here. After clicking, your mail will be open. On your right side, you will find 3 dots here. Just click on that one. After clicking, this will be 1 minute. Yes, on top you have to click. On top, 3 dots you have to click. After clicking here, just you will find this snooze option. Just click on the snooze, will give you an option like till what time you don't want this message to be shown. Like later today around 6 p.m. Now it is 2:29 p.m. Till 6 p.m. I don't want to see this message or mail in my inbox. So this is the option. Or by tomorrow 8 a.m. I don't want to see this mail in my inbox. I can click here. For the next week I can click here. For the next weekend I can click here, select date and time. Particularly, for example, if you don't want till 13th of April, okay, that's all. What time you don't want to be seeing this mail in your email by 6 p.m. just save it. That's all. This mail has been gone from the inbox to snooze place. So on the 13th 6 p.m. it will again come back to my mail space. That's all. So much easy to snooze on your Gmail. Thank you so much for watching this. I think it is useful to you too. Kindly comment it in the comment box. Subscribe the channel and like and share the video so that some other people also will see these kind of messages, useful stuff. Thank you.